Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be hiking the Fred J Cusimano westside overland trail. We're going to be backpacking and camping overnight in the lean-tos. This trail is in Chautauqua County, New York. It's about 24 miles long, but we are just going to hike a small portion today.
Sign into the register.
All right, sign us in.
Well, we're at the start of the trail, guys.
It's old foundation.
Old basement there. What's that? The basement.
It's an old foundation.
That's Wilbur's house right there.
We've got some family members joining us for the hike today. They were hoping to make it in the video.
The other people are.
See?
Yeah, because I'm filming, Emma.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Video.
You're on video right now.
Make sure that one gets in there.
Oh, yeah. She'll be in it.
Oh.
Oh, this isn't much of a pond anymore.
The pond has kind of gone down a little.
Yeah,
Well, it's
some
been
people
dry,
pop this dam out. You
too.
can see where the dam used to be right there,
Yeah,
and I mean it's
Huh.
just cut completely out.
that's a pretty good sized pond, isn't it?
It used to be.
Yeah, it used to be. The last time we came down here, it was.
So it's a huge pond.
Probably.
Look at Jelly.
Do you like this trail?
I do. It's a nice trail. What does they taste like?
Onion.
Oh,
It's a wild
then I
onion.
don't want any.
Oh, Ben,
You like
but you
onions?
like them. They're
I
good
don't
for
like
you.
onions. That's good, man.
Liz, did you just
Well, they do have water here.
someone didn't let you pack out very well?
I don't know why they left this.
Oh, they left their can.
I don't know. Somebody drove down here and left their stuff.
You know what?
That'd be nice. Go swimming.
Do some swim race.
Huh?
Do some swim.
Oh, lovely. That's a little bit of firewood. That was nice, huh?
Well, there's a lot of wood.
As you can see, some people didn't follow the pack in, pack out rule. I always sign these logs when I hike on these trails. This is how they get funding for these. So it depends on the amount of people that sign in, which they have these little maps in here too. I'm going to end up putting it back because they only have one left, but I like to look at them anyway. We got camp all set up. We're going to be sleeping in the hammocks tonight. Then we spent some time just sitting around the fire and hanging out until dinner time. We kept things pretty basic with dinner, just like beans and hot dogs. So, standard camp food. Had some marshmallows for dessert.
It's after dinner, and I just decided to go for a little walk. see the trail further down. There's a lot of birds out.
After I got back from my walk, we played some games and sat around the fire until it was time for bed.
It's morning, so time to make some coffee. Got my instant coffee here. Alright, time to get some breakfast started. We're gonna make these breakfast skillet meals. I've never tried these before. So it's got shredded potatoes, scrambled egg, pork sausage, peppers and onions freeze-dried. I guess you just put the hot water in there. We'll see. And we got some oatmeal, so I know that'll be good at least. Alright, it's boiling. Open this up. Gonna remove these. So, I'll spill this on myself. You think that's enough?
I'm not sure.
I'll stir it and see if I think it needs more. Well, that's probably enough. I guess I could have tried to measure it somehow. I don't know.
Well, we do happen to have these nice silicone cups here that have measurement marks in them.
Oh well. It smells pretty good.
Ooh, it does.
Okay.
It smells really good.
We gotta let it sit for 5 minutes in here. If it's too dry, I'll just put more water in after. 5 minutes, so let's open it up. Have to re-stir it. I don't know, it looks pretty good. I think it's gonna be good.
I think you're right.
It says you just re-stir it and then let it sit a little longer. Still hot.
4 more minutes.
Okay. We've got our apples and cinnamon oatmeal here. That's pretty good. Oh, you got yours. What kind's yours, Angelica? You don't remember?
I forgot.
Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's time. Looks kind of the same as it looked when we checked it the last time. You ready to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put some in your dish.
Let Jelly be the guinea pig.
You're going to be the taste tester for us?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're going to tell me what you think about it. Be honest. Do you like it? You do?
That's good.
Good. What do you think about the breakfast?
Good.
What do you like more, the oatmeal or the skillet thing? The oatmeal? I like the skillet pretty good though. Been ready to go. Lassie! Don't touch it. Just leave it alone.
I saw it. I'm like, oh!
Snake. Well, we've made it back to the truck. Next, we're going to be heading to the Chautauqua Gorge, so be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see a video on that.